Coming up in this video.
You're not a Jedi!
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
We're heading to a...
I thought you were photo.
Class. We're heading to Hollywood Studios. Chunk Original.
Disney original.
Chunk Original. This design you can still get from Town Sound, but it's not got the print on the back. This is possibly the first one I ever bought. It's fantastic. I've probably owned it nearly 20 years. That shows you the quality of them. They're that good, and I'm that tight. Anyway, check the link in the description so you can order yourself one if you want one.
Not one of these.
Another day at Disney.
Looks like it's going to throw it down.
Again.
The sky is black.
Phew. Wonder if it's going to be like last night.
Oh, you should have seen last night's storm. Absolutely horrendous.
Let's show you if we haven't already showed you in a video. It is, I don't know what day it is, but it's the afternoon of whatever day it is.
The 29th.
No, day.
Oh, it's Friday. It's
Right.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, that's
Happy
it. We have to go to
Friday.
the tap house.
Well, we haven't got time really, unless it rains.
We're heading into Hollywood Studios. It's like 4 o'clock, something like that in the afternoon. Today we've not really done much. We went for breakfast at Sonar, which
Was really nice.
was really nice. Don't know which that'll be in a video somewhere. And we've also done the mundane thing of washing at the resort.
Washing clothes in Eames, not
Yes.
washing bodies. Laundry. We've got late night tonight in Hollywood Studio, so that's why we've not come out till a little bit later. We've got a dining reservation at 10 to 6 in Trattoria Al Forno on Boardwalk.
That might be a separate video actually, but we'll show you some bits and bobs as we're going through. Francesca and Alvaro's done the...
They've been here since this morning.
Yeah, they
all
built
day.
a lightsaber, so we'll put some of that footage in now.
We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We look in the forgotten corners of the galaxy. Abandoned outposts, fallen Jedi temples, battling Anakin's friends. The Blue Crystal, wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we here, ready. Let's build.
Right, so I'm starting with our chassis and our fiber crystal. You're gonna have a closed back and an open. Alrighty, and now a pommel cap for your bottom.
And take this next moment to be still, to feel that rhythm, to be mindful, of course, to reflect, to focus, and of course, listen. Down.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, join you will be. It is time.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come forward, please. Place your hands on your hilt and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you. Like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Well done, my friends. Now, carefully deactivate and lower your lightsabers for the time being.
Complete your lightsaber builds. Now, your destiny you seek.
Till the spire! My friends, I wish you all safe travels and true adventure. You'll be exiting the workshop right through this door to continue.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
We're on the Skyliner, and the guy that's just given us the in-flight thing. What's it?
Bye in 7
Been
seconds.
great. Absolutely nuts. Bye.
Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
This is the hub where they change all the different Skyliners and everything else. So we're got off that one, getting on that one. And as Bob's just said, but you can't hear him, but you can see him, we're back. We are back in Hollywood Studios. I've still got wet feet from earlier. That's how bad it is. Been to Trattoria Al Forno. I don't know if we mentioned earlier, but Pretty Boy has got himself his own saber, which means I won't have to look at mine anymore and thinking, But he doesn't trust anybody with his lightsaber, not even Francesca, the love of his life, is like, shh, get off. We are at Hollywood Studios. We're going to show you what it's like at night because, I mean, just look at this. I mean, it's all lit up.
Oh my god.
It's all lit up and it's great. There's a few various shows on. There are quite a lot of rides and attractions that are down for various reasons, possibly due to an electric outage. Hence the queue over at Guest Relations on the other side of here is massive. And the other thing is, those that aren't down, the queues are horrendous. Oh, let's go look-see. With the exception of Star Tours, which has got a 5-minute wait time, everything else looks like at least an hour of what is up and running. This is the only late night that we've got in Hollywood Studios, so it's going to be a bit of a shame if we don't get to go on anything, but that's just the way it is. You know, it's always a risk with the weather, there's nothing you can do about it. Just about to head into Batu. Pretty Boy's got his lightsaber. You're not a Jedi! So Rise of the Resistance is not going to be open tonight. Oh well. I think we've basically been told anything that's not open now won't be open tonight. If any of you are interested, currently filming this on the low light settings on the Pocket 3, which is 4K, 30 frames per second. Boring geek stuff off. But look at the footage of this. And it fits in your pocket. Seen any of this anywhere else? The helmets, by the way. $59.99 plus tax. T-shirts $34.99. That's my wallet lightened slightly. Just outside Batu, the stalls where I just was, they have stuff there you can't get anywhere else in Disney World.
as I understand it, 2 fridge magnets, because that's what I collect basically when I'm on my travels, and a t-shirt later. No surprises there. This place at night is ace. Last time we came we said it's a kids ride but it's so much fun. Time is about 10:30 at night. The temperature's ace and it's not raining. Remember the rules.
Yeah.
This is a kids ride.
It's a kids ride.
It's a kids ride, this.
Yeah. So this is a kids ride.
Are you ready? Because this is a kids ride. It's a kids ride.
I'm terrified.
It's a right bone shaking ass. This is Mickey and Minnie's runaway trains, right? Or runaway railway, something like that. I love this. Nice bright colours. It's posted a 20-minute wait time. We're thinking it's going to be a walk-on.
Like a driving academy here, isn't it?
Thanks. Yeah, that's another day at Disney done for us.
It's nearly 12 o'clock at the night.
Drop us a comment if you've been here. Let us know which is your favourite park. And having said that, we'll see you in the next one.
Pronto.